All right, question number 27. A man leaves X to Y on a bearing of 124 degrees and covers 10 kilometers, and then proceed to Z on a bearing north 34 of east. Not 34 degrees of east, and covers what? 24 kilometers. What is the distance between X and Z? Okay. All right, let's do this quickly. I like to do it this way, this point. Okay. This is the first bearing. Let's say it is X. And then they said on a bearing of 124 degrees. Remember, this is a north, south, east, and west. Okay. Now, 100 and bearing, we normally measure it from the north pole down like this. So 124, it's somewhere like this. Stop somewhere here. So that's it. Rule a line there. Let me use a proper line somewhere here. Okay. All right. Okay. So this sketching is always very important. So this is 124 degrees. So that means from here to here will be that's this particular angle here will be 180 minus 124. Now for those who will say why 180, remember from here to here this is 90 degrees plus 90, so that's 180. So this small place will be 180 minus 124. Which is 56. Okay. So this is the point, next point you move to, which is Y. Not east, west, and south. Now there's something we call alternate angle. You see this one is parallel to this. So this angle here, this angle 56 here is alternate to this point. So this place is also what? 56 degrees. And then covers 10 kilometers. That means from here to here, this line here is actually 10 kilometers. All right. And they say, and then proceeded to Z on a bearing of 34 degrees north of east. North of east, that's on this side, north of east, bearing of 30 something degrees somewhere here. So we rule that line. It won't be that much big. And then since the length will be a bit longer than this one, because we are told that it's 24 kilometers. So it's like 2 times of this plus 2. Okay, drawn that. So we are told that the bearing here is 24. Did I say 24? 34. 34 degrees. And covers 24 kilometers. That means from here to here is 24 kilometers. So now the question is, what is the distance between X and Z? That's distance between here and here. So we also rule a line to indicate that that's the correct thing. Ouch. Okay. Sorry for that. Our option need to be there. Okay, let me just leave it. Okay. Here we still have our north, east, west, and south. Okay. So this point is our Z. And the place, this is the kilometers they want us to find. I'll use letter D to represent there. So they want us to find distance from here to there. Now, if you add these two angles, 56 plus 34, that will give you 90. That will give you 90. So that means here we actually have angle 90 degrees. Sorry, I mean something of that nature. You have angle 90 degrees. So how do we now find this point? Remember, we know this side, and we don't know this side. And if you look at this place properly, if you look at this shape properly, this is a right angle triangle. If I was to draw it out, this is what it will actually be. What it will actually be. And then you move it down. Okay. So this is what it will actually be. Here will be 24. And here is 10 kilometers. And here becomes our D. And here is our angle 90 degrees. So here is our Z, X, and Y. Okay, so we have to find D. So you know already that in right angle triangle, to find this side, we use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, we use it, which says that D squared will be equals to what? 24 squared plus 10 squared. Which equals to, if you do 24 squared, that's 576 plus 100, that will be 676. So our D will be what? Square root of 676. Square root of 676, if you punch that to your calculator, that will give you 26. So 26 kilometers. So the distance from X to Y is 26 kilometers. So that's how we do that.